morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.6% in the last two sessions. Stochastic shifted into the negative area. Bitcoin has added 6.2% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has moved sharply into the overbought zone. The price of gold has lost 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has sunk into the negative area. The price of crude oil has fallen 5.1% in the last two sessions. The ADX has slightly diminished into the negative area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices dropped for a second straight session as U.S. producers began restoring output after Hurricane Delta weakened. The yuan dropped after China's central bank took a measure seen as aimed at curbing its strength. Financial leaders of the world's 7 biggest economies opposed the launch of Facebook's Libra stablecoin until it is properly regulated, a draft G7 statement showed.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Japanese Tertiary Industry Index will be released at 2:30 GMT. The Japanese capacity utilization at 2:30 GMT. The Japanese industrial production at 2:30 GMT. The U.S. MBA mortgage applications at 900 GMT. The U.S. PPI at 10:30 GMT. And the U.S. Redbook at 10:55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.